and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print Precious Memories Full Bleed Service Records. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side. We'll make sure that our layouts are set to full bleed. And we'll click on the Print Info button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once our PDF has generated, we'll want to review the product both front and back to be sure that everything has uploaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with your results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin editing our printer settings. Starting at the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'd like to print, and we'll make sure that the following options have been selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, print on both sides of the paper, and we're going to flip on the long edge because this is a portrait template. On the right-hand side, we'll want to make sure that both the document size and page size match in width and height. After that, we'll go into the Advanced Properties and make a few changes at the bottom. We'll want to make sure that the document size matched the 8.5 by 14 dimensions that we saw on the previous page. The orientation will still be portrait. We'll change our ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have our paper type, and this will always be thick 1 to ensure that the ink sticks onto the paper. At this point, you can register your current settings by naming your preset here. Once you're done, click OK, and an icon will appear that is now your preset. Once you go to print another product that has the same dimensions as this, you'll click on the icon here, and it will change your settings to the exact ones that you have now. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.